welcome to the class. Today we are here with the end part of our chapter locating places on the earth. So as we have discussed about latitudes and longitudes. So whenever we are going to locate places on the earth, we need reference point of latitudes and longitudes. So let's take an example. So if you are going to locate New Delhi of India, so we'll say New Delhi is 29 degree north from equator, and it is 77 degree east from prime meridian, so where the position we got, where these two lines are meeting each other, okay, longitudinal line and latitudinal lines are meeting each other, we are getting the point, that exact point where the New Delhi is. Let's zoom it. Okay, here you can see that from the equator it is 29 degree and from the Greenwich it is 77 degree. Okay, from the equator 29 degree east, from the Greenwich it is 77 degree east. Okay, so like that we can calculate the exact point where the place is located. Now next is calculating time. This part of the chapter is not for you, that is just for your knowledge. Question answer is not going to come from this part, but this is just for your knowledge. Let's understand this. Calculating time. How longitudes help us to calculating time. For crossing each degree of longitude, it takes 4 minute time. How much? 4 minute time. So 180 degree east, 180 degree east. All together it is 24 hours. Okay, when we are calculating each degree, when we are calculating it is 24 hours. So now 1 degree takes time 4 minutes. Okay, suppose if a question is, if a place is located 4 degree toward the east, what time it will be there if it is 12 noon in Greenwich. So suppose if it is 12 noon in Greenwich, so 1 degree takes time 4 minutes, 4 degree takes time 4 into 4, that is 16 minutes. So if it is 12 noon at Greenwich, place A will have 12 plus 16 because that noon has already passed. So 12 plus 16, we get 12:16 p.m. we will get. Okay, and next is, if the same degree is towards the west, if the same degree is towards the west, then what we'll say, that if it is 12 noon at Greenwich, then place B will have 12 minus 16 because it is in toward the west. So 12 minus 16, how much you are getting? 11:44 a.m. Is that clear? So that's how we are calculating the time with the reference of the prime meridian. So that's all for today's class. Hope you understand well. We'll meet soon in the next class. Thank you very much.